How to fix Discord, your message could not be delivered. So if you want to fix Discord, your message could not be delivered, then what you need to do is just follow some steps. So the first thing you're going to make sure is that you are actually friends with the person on that server. So first you need to open up your Discord and make sure that the person you're trying to message is actually friends with you on that server that you are trying to send a message to. So if you're not actually friends with them, then you can go and send a friend request first, and then you'll be able to message that person, or just simply go with a channel. Once you're on your channel, you can go with the name of that channel, tap on it, and you will have your members, right? So you need to just simply tap on the members, and you will have all of the members. Or you can just simply go with your server and you can go with the members, select the member that you would like to message, and from there you will be able to message that person. Now if you've added them as a friend but is still not receiving messages, next thing you're going to want to do is check their privacy settings. So to do that, you're going to go with your settings, tap on you, which is on the bottom right, and then go with settings, which is on the top right. Under your settings you will have privacy and safety. You need to tap on it, and you will have an option of allow direct messages from server members, or you may have that option on your content and social. Here you need to go and allow the direct messages from others, or from your friends, or from the messages in server channels. So you just need to simply tap on show, or you need to go with allow. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.